Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
While everybody centers around Bitcoin and Ethereum, different open doors probably won't be on many individuals' radar. The OMG tokens are in the information at their vertical cost forecasts and getting more financial backer consideration due to how they perform contrasted with the opposition. OMG network is gradually taking off, acquiring market inclusion. The most recent news inclusion of this underestimated coin is acquiring additional consideration from the market-changing exchanging choices. We should figure out more about the OMG network project and the story behind it. The overview of OMG network. OMG network is a layer 2 scaling arrangement that is worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It permits clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens less expensive and quicker than making those exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum network. The OMG network was established by Chadok Avangi, a Thai resident working as an auxiliary of Sinca, which is a Thailand-based fintech organization. It is a decentralized, public organization that permits high throughput, minimal expense, shared exchanges. With it, anybody can execute as team across topographies, resource classes, and applications. The OMG network permits one to get to, make do, and execute utilizing advanced resources that are put away safely on the blockchain. The organization depends on a scaling arrangement known as more viable plasma. It utilizes a sidechain engineering to make a clump of a few exchanges, which can then be confirmed utilizing a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain. As indicated by OMG network, this innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to great many exchanges each second. This is way higher than whatever Ethereum 1.0 can deal with, which is 10 to 14,000 exchanges each second. The plasma-based sidechain design likewise permits it to increment productivity while lessening carbon impression by decreasing the power utilization up to 99% contrasted with Ethereum. This is cosmically high while additionally lessening expenses up to 66% of the ordinary charge. This is finished while ensuring that the resources remain got by the Ethereum blockchain network. As indicated by the site, OMG network is likewise getting a rebrand as OMG Foundation. With millions brought up in the last round of financing around $80 million in Series C subsidizing, OMG at long last sees a few achievement and truly necessary acknowledgement from the crypto market. In the same way as other cryptographic forms of money, the administration holds some stockpile of the complete portion of coins. As the most extreme stock is fixed, there is supposed to be a greatest cap of precisely 140,245,398 OMG at the present time. Dissimilar to numerous other digital forms of money, the absolute inventory has previously been completely printed, with around 65% circling through dynamic financial backers. OMG technical analysis. Assuming we see how well it is doing, the OMG network cost is at 3 years high, with the ongoing cost exchanging at $5. This high, whenever proceeded, can surpass 4 years high in something like a year, it keeps a decent up-moving business sector. The value history of OMG network isn't that great in the past 2 years. The cost changes have not been fascinating for crypto exchanging this time span. The drop in cost in 2018 was principally because of the prohibiting of OMG digital currency in the trades, bringing about high unpredictability at those key levels. With its new high of $5.01 since its underlying stages, OMG network seems to be a decent chance for dealers. However, is it sufficient at this price tag to purchase OMG network? Is the OMG market currently far beyond the best section point? How about we find out with the specialized examination? The ongoing cost of OMG network is $5.01, with the crypto positioning at number 101. The market capitalization of OMG network is around $699,630,149.64 and a flowing stockpile of around 140,245,398 OMG coins, which is the greatest coin limit. The most recent 24 hours ups and downs have been $5.10 and $4.80, individually. The gathering has been consistently expanding over the course of the past year and is as yet reliable, with the OMG breaking out this moment, beating different conjectures. The ongoing business sector cost shows a positive opinion developing, with the steady cost-volume activity implied by the green lines on volume. The graph is way over the parabolic SAR, and the accumulation distribution indicator is likewise moving upwards pleasantly. The passage for merchants could be the new high framed, however it is smarter to have a decent combination and put market orders when the cost drop reoccurs. This is a decent technique to enter utilizing the cup and handle design. However long the cost stays over its 50-day moving normal, the passage ought to be great for dealers to use as a section. The benefit taking can be made by involving exit systems for cryptos, since they are considerably more unpredictable. So utilizing the right leave technique to bring in cash is the only thing that is important. Utilizing a short combination base, a dealer or a financial backer can enter during the development of the OMG network and leave when the unpredictability is low. OMG network price predictions, 2022 to 2026. As the reception rate for Ethereum Layer 2 arrangements keeps on rising, it will be great for OMG network also. The OMG cost expectation for 2022 will undoubtedly be great as the value keeps on taking off new high with right around 300% return in the beyond couple of months. The OMG network conjecture is around $5.01 for the present, as the instability hasn't hit its most extreme cutoff. In view of the OMG cost forecasts, it is a decent long-haul speculation choice. Putting your cash in OMG network is a decent choice for the future, as it has kept an uplifting perspective. OMG price prediction 2022. With the OMG cost expectation for 2022 around $5.47, it will probably be the year when the fate of OMG network will essentially think about the cost diagram it structures. The OMG value conjecture of $6.53 is sensibly protected, assuming the reception rate proceeds. The worth of OMG will increment over the long run as it earns the consideration of the crypto local area. OMG network price prediction 2023. In 2023, the OMG value pattern will keep on reflecting potential gain force according to our OMG network estimate. Subsequently, the OMG cost is supposed to reach $6.58 this year. For a long-haul OMG network cost expectations, essential specialized investigation is required. With regards to industry arrangements, the OMG token offers a couple. The OMG network runs a bug bounty program, which rewards developers to track down mistakes inside the organization and assists with fixing those issues. This motivator to find issues in the organization makes it very great, as any issues that will be found could be accounted for back to the advancement group, and the issue